Hola amigos, how y'all doing? Nice day for the market. We held off this, just huge support at 1400. We got some good economic data, and you saw the markets kind of just start rip roaring. We had a couple dips intraday, and it looked like where the market could start potentially getting weak. And the dips were bought, which is what you want to see in terms of some positive price action. And we closed right near highs. Now, what does today mean in the scheme of things? I don't really know. One day doesn't really make anything, right? In the end, we got an oversold bounce off a big support level, which probabilities tell us that you often will get. But now look, we're right under the 20-day and the 50-day moving averages. We've got a big zone of just supply right here, right? And so we need to get over this to kind of change our reward to risk ratios. Because right now, what's our potential reward and where can we go back to, right? It's a little bit skewed. And so if we can kind of break over this level, that kind of changes things. It puts things back in square for yearly highs, and then we'll have a nice level of support underneath. But we need to see follow through. So today was nice. It was fun trading. It was fun to see everybody making money. It looks like a lot of people on the stream, and I know in our chat room a lot of people are making money, and it's good to see, but we don't know yet what this is. This could just be a relief bounce into resistance that starts a short play right back down the 200-day moving average. As I suspect the next time we test 1400, we're not going to be so lucky to hold, as we're really testing it just too many times. Let's take a look. Eli, right? This is a huge bear flag here. Big volume selling coming in. This stock's got lower prices in it. I just keep this on watch for day trades. Looks like a flush is coming on this stock for sure. CHS, break out the 52-week highs in the cards. NCQ, I like this one, right? It's a breakout, pull back to support. We're starting to go. Let's see if it kind of crosses over 250. If it can, the longer-term pattern looks looks pretty good here. It could make a ripper. SVU closed at highs today. Looks like it's breaking out of this flag. AMD looks a little bit like OCZ. We could do a bottom bounce right off this level. This is a nice type of pattern. Now, AMD is a much thicker stock than OCZ in terms of float and the level of thickness at the bid and ask on each level. So I don't anticipate it'll move up 20% in a day, but we might get a nice 5% move off this level. WebMD. The 16 mark looks pretty key here, right? If we get out of this zone, we're flagging here short term. I like this stock a lot. This one could be a mover. KBH homies were real strong today, right? BLDR, NDC. This one's kind of sitting right on support. Maybe we got another run in this bad boy. EGHT. Keep an eyeball on this one, right? The breakout, pull back to support here. We should get a bounce right back to 7 here. Earnings might have been after hours today. I didn't check, so that might change the chart a little bit. But somebody had mentioned that to me. UPL. This is a nat gas stock. Look at this 24 level. This thing is huge, right? Reminds me of XCO when XCO was just basing at 8 and couldn't get past. And then when it finally got past, right, it ripped a good dollar. MNI. Had a rest day today. This 3 level is just huge on a longer term basis. This one could go. We just need a nice setup here. LNG up a little bit today, but still sitting on that major level support, starting to come out of range. I still like the chart on this one. Taser flagging here. Keep this on watch. It's got more juice. Exin. After that, HGSH that was up 100% today. China real estate company. This one might go again tomorrow. BPZ. Look at this 3 level mark, right? We keep testing it, and that is also the 200-day moving average. Expedia just flagging right under the 60 mark. Anything over 60 is a breakout. KFN. 52-week highs right here. Looks like a good play. Keep this on watch. Wiener. Bear flag right here. If market rolls over, I think that this one gets beat down again. ACZ, been watching this one for a while. This is a metals play, but look, we've got a 1, 2, 3 month flag on this one. Could be a nice one. CX, this is a flag and a flat top breakout all at once. I love the look on this stock too. Just riding up that 20-day moving average. And then RAS might need a couple more days here, but it's got a good look. Might need 2